Alright, ladies and gents, boys and girls, we're back in another YouTube video. We are cruising over to the lot right now. Hopefully there's at least one person there so I can actually practice. Because when it's just me there, I don't like pushing myself. Stick around if you want to learn how to wheelie. If you already know how, you can still stick around and watch, it'd be cool. And don't get me wrong, I'm not the best at these. I'm not saying I'm pro, I'm not saying I'm the best, but I do know how to do them. I'm gonna teach you for Harleys, which I will more specifically say Sportsters, because that is the only Harley I know how to wheelie. So I'm not gonna sit here and say I know how to wheelie a Dyna, or you should do the same thing because yours is a Dyna. It could be different. I don't know. Haven't ridden a Dyna. I know Cruzy Originals. He makes a very good how-to wheelie for Sportsters, Dynas, baggers, but mainly Dynas. They're mainly Dyna channel. They make the coolest stunt Dynas in the game, I think. But I'm just going to give you my little tips and tricks, what I struggled with, and I can also wheelie my dirt bike, but that's just more like getting over the fear. Dirt bikes, they will come up. You don't really have to try that hard, but it is scary for most people, so that's why they can't wheelie. So if you're on a dirt bike, just keep practicing, really work that rear brake. So pop it up a little bit, hit the rear brake, drop it down, get a feel for it. Damn, this road's bumpy, but just get used to that rear brake. I mean, same with Harleys too. The thing is with Harleys, if you're trying to wheelie a Harley, you should know how to wheelie something. You should know how to wheelie a 110. You should know how to wheelie a Grom or a dirt bike or something. You should already know how to work a rear brake, because with dirt bikes, you can get it up almost every time and then practice that rear brake. With this, it's like once you get it up, there's a lot of engine braking until you hit the point where there's like no engine braking, and then it's just rear brake. But if you just learn there and you keep hitting your back brakes, you're gonna blow out your front forks, you're gonna land super hard, it's gonna be really aggressive, and you're just gonna break stuff. But here we are at the lot. I'm gonna pop my visor up. I guess I'm gonna do a wheelie. I guess I have to, right? What's up, dog? Alright, so step one, just practice pulling your clutch a little bit and feeling right where it's about to grip. So like, look at, see, like, that's not gripping, that's gripping, and I'm barely pushing that in or pulling that in. So it's really, you don't have to pull it all the way in. If you're on like I said, I'm teaching you for a Sportster, but it kind of applies for everything. But if you pull in you pull the clutch in all the way and you give it some RPMs and you bang it out, it's gonna do a burnout. It's gonna do a burnout. So you gotta keep the clutch like halfway, right where it's like about a grip, and then you give her like high RPMs. But I can't say, I don't have a gauge or a RPM gauge or anything, so I give her like not full on, but like and then I pop the clutch, I drop it, and then once you drop it and that tire grips, then give it some gas, get it up. But You don't want to just give her hell and then drop the clutch, because you're gonna do a burnout. But if you want to do a burnout, that's exactly how you do it. Give her hell and drop the clutch. But yeah, and just keep practicing, bring it up little by little, and just feel it out. Don't chase them out. Like, you can chase them a little bit, like get a feel for having your wheel in the air. If you're just chasing the wheelie out and you go until your bike rev limiters like bah, 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 you're gonna drop back down, and it's gonna fucking hurt really bad, and it's gonna destroy your bike really fast, and it's not safe. It's really not. These things weigh a lot. Take your time, don't ruin your prized possession. Just keep working it, and right at balance point with these Sportsters, or with really any Harley Davidson, but I'm talking about these Sportsters, is forks are parallel. With mine is an XL. It's a little bit above forks are parallel, but when my forks are parallel, I can just cruise on the throttle. So it's not balance point, like I can't be off the throttle, but it's just like the perfect point. So I'd practice, try to get your forks parallel. Once you get them there, you got a wheelie, and you just got to keep practicing your rear brake, keep getting better, and yeah, there we go. I'll do another one. So I go in like 5 miles an hour, pulling that clutch halfway, RPMs, and I did it wrong because I'm talking to you guys. I'm focusing about it too much. It's all one fluid motion. You're not supposed to. Don't think about it so much, and I was thinking about it a lot because I'm sitting here talking to you. But drop and then carry on through the wheelie, so you're not burning your tire. And that one, I got it to hook after a little bit of slides, but then I let off. So if you have any questions, please just ask below, comment below. I will answer you guys as fast as I can. I check my comments a lot, and I answer to you guys, or to the people who do comment. And I hope this helps. I'm only really making this because I know when I was learning, you look up some videos, but you try to look up more because you want more information, or you just want more help, and I could only find like 3 actually good videos. So hopefully this is a decent video. If you want an even faster response, follow my Instagram. I'll put it in the bottom left right here. And DM me. I'll answer you guys. I'll do whatever I can. And if I can't answer your question, I know people that can answer your question. There's people that I ride with that are way better than me, way more mechanically inclined. So if you really want to know something, let me know. I can help you out. But let's do a scrape right here. Let's get this thing up. To the left. I need to do a little circle right here. Okay, that's good. Now my tire should be round. Stop pulling me to the right. Because I feel like I'm leaning off the bike and all it's doing is pulling me to the curb. There we go. It feels good now. I gotta get a scrape. This is ridiculous. I was doing them all yesterday. They're so fun. I finally got my titanium plate. Got it from Scrape City. luckily for me, Scrape City lives right next to me, or close to me. So I just rode over to Brup's house, picked it up, put it on yesterday. Alright, couple more. I'm gonna pull off the side, take a break, talk to everyone, and when I get back on the bike, I'll start recording again. But we gotta do a scrape. Gotta do a scrape. I gotta get one. That one, I just like didn't get up. I was going so fast. I should dip back. Try something. Just did a couple scrapes, but we're gonna go knee knocker to sit down to scrape. No scrape, but knee knocker sit down. Jordan, Jimmy. Nice to meet you, dude. Yeah, so the whole Concrete Cowboy group just rolled up. If you don't know who that is, Sea Bear, Jersey. H2 Stretch, Brup, Stunts. They're all traveling to Daytona right now, but I guess they just stopped in AZ to get a quick ride. All the smoke. They're all here, and they're the guys. I had to hop on my bike. What? Oh my. This is crazy. These guys are fucking... Alright, so I'm heading back home now. I'm just gonna chill and relax. So it started off as a wheelie video. I'm gonna post all of it, but I don't know what I'm gonna title it. So it could be how to wheelie, or it could just be riding with the concrete Cowboys, because that was nuts. That was like, that made my freaking week, year, month, whatever you want to say. I watch those guys all the time, especially Sam Taylor. I watch his YouTube all the time. I mean, they are just so good at riding, so it's cool to watch. It's cool to see what to do, what not to do, what's actually possible, because some things you're just like, I can't do that, and then like you see someone do it, you're like, I want to do that, so then pushes you to be better. Whenever you're riding with people that are better than you, it's always a good thing. But they're off to Daytona for Bike Week there. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like I said, if you have any questions, put it in the comments. Liking the video helps me out, helps other people see it, shows up on their Discover page. So if you're watching this and you stuck around, like it, helps me out a lot. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know what the hell you're doing, because you're watching. And if you're listening to me right now, that means you watched the whole video. So you might as well subscribe, you know, like, just common courtesy. Now, honestly, you don't have to if you don't like it, but I will ask, if you're a reoccurring subscriber and you're watching my videos every week, help me out. Subscribe. It pushes all my videos to other people, and I can keep making more content and making better content, because the more people that see it, the more people that tell me what I need to work on, and I can fix those things. And I just want to make good videos for people to watch, whether there's 100 subscribers like I have now, or 2 million subscribers. I'm gonna be doing what I love, and I hope you guys see that, and you can enjoy it through the lens of my GoPro and my camera. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'm out. Peace.